Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Connect a dedicated external drive before you start the backup process. Use at least a 1 TB USB 3.0 drive for full system and file backups. Open Settings and navigate to Update and Security to access backup options. Select Backup using File History and then choose your connected external drive. Turn on File History so personal files back up automatically. Confirm that the drive shows available space and is formatted correctly for Windows use. Open Control Panel and select Backup and Restore labeled Windows 7 for legacy options. Click Create a System Image and choose your external drive as the destination. Expect the image to require approximately 50 GB or more depending on installed programs. Follow prompts to include system and boot partitions in the image file. After the image completes, create a system repair disk or USB recovery drive for emergency boot. Label the drives and keep them in a safe, accessible location. To recover files, open File History and choose Restore My Files for individual recovery. For full system recovery, boot from the USB recovery drive or system repair disk you created. Use the Restore wizard to select the system image saved on your external drive. Expect the re-image process to take 30 to 90 minutes depending on drive speed and image size. Verify backups monthly and rotate backup drives to maintain redundancy. Keep one backup copy offsite to protect against theft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.